Here, payment method in country. Sir, as what I did, I went to new entries here, sir. I, I searched Bulgaria here. So this is a Bulgaria. So now payment method, sir, as you told that they are maintaining three types of payment method. So three different character we have to choose here. So we have to ask the client that for domestic transfer what character we have to keep, for coin transfer, and for SEPA credit transfer what we have to keep. According to that we will give description here. Then uh, if we check on here in vendor master data, this information should be there, otherwise error comes, sir. Then here payment medium, use payment medium workbench is there and use classic medium workbench is there. So here there are some formats.
Sir, 1 minute, Asya, don't go back. Here on the screen, sir, I saw in one of my research, they have selected the EU internal transfer and SEPA mandate required. Is this the mandatory field, sir, for this?
Yeah, SEPA mandatory is required in the
EU internal
payment.
transfer?
Yes. So if you tick that option in vendor master, there is one option is there in bank details. SEPA is there. So where we need to give the SEPA details. So it is applicable to IBAN మాత్రం applicable అవుతుంది SEPA mandate requirement. IBAN details ఇచ్చి కొన్ని వెండర్ మాస్టర్ లో కొన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ అప్డేట్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు SEPA mandate అవుతుంది.
Sorry for the interruption.
నేను చెప్తానండి, నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను, మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేయండి.
So Bulgaria. Here I have taken this, sir. Standard SEPA underscore CT is there, SEPA underscore DD is there, and FI underscore XML underscore CT is there, FI underscore XML underscore CT is there, and CH underscore XML underscore CT is there. Here it is a customized for our country, our company purpose. We have to create a new one. I created this is my company code 4001. For that what I did, I went to new session, OBPM